Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm swatching and reviewing some lipsticks I bought a while back but never really talked about. A few are from Nykaa Cosmetics and two are from Inside Cosmetics. So let's finally give them their moment. Starting off with the Nykaa Ultra Matte range, I have three shades from this collection. The first one is Mona Lisa. Can we just take a second to appreciate the magnetic cap? It feels super fun and actually quite classy. Mona Lisa is a beautiful rosy nude with soft mauve undertones. I've paired it with the Swiss Beauty lip liner in the shade Cherry Brown. The overall undertone leans warm to neutral, so it feels soft and wearable. It's a subtle shade, perfect for everyday soft glam or workwear looks. It flatters fair to dusky skin tones really well, but on deeper skin tones, I think it might take a little more effort to work. Next up is Jane, and I have this one in mini size. It's literally the size of my little finger. These lipsticks are super comfortable, moisturizing and non-drying, perfect for all-day wear. Jane is a burnt peach shade with a warm terracotta undertone. It's soft, earthy and totally wearable, especially for fair to medium skin tones. If you have dusky or deeper skin tone, I'd suggest pairing it with a rich brown liner like Swiss Beauty Dark Chocolate. That's what I've used here. And honestly, I love this combo. It gives a soft grunge-inspired feel, and it's perfect for when you want something little edgy but not too bold. Now let's talk about Coco. This one's a bold, cool toned raspberry pink, and it is so fresh and vibrant. It instantly brightens up the complexion and adds that pop of color to your look. It's one of those striking shades that just makes you feel like main character. Especially, it looks stunning on medium to dusky skin tones. The contrast works beautifully and adds so much life to the face. Now these lipsticks are not fully transfer proof, but they do stay for a long time. Now moving on to Inside Cosmetics, the first shade I have is Intention. It's a luxurious deep magenta with rich berry undertones. I feel it can instantly elevate any look, whether it's festive, formal or even just for a night out. Color payoff is beautiful and it suits every skin tone from fair to deep. Formula is transfer proof. Once it sets, it doesn't budge. But compared to the Nykaa lipsticks, these feel a bit drier on the lips. Still comfortable, but I definitely recommend prepping your lips beforehand. The next shade is Dagger. This one is a vintage rose pink shade with a brown base and it has a really unique vibe. It's soft, muted and suits dusky skin really well. Such a good nude shade for deeper skin tones, and you can totally wear it without a lip liner. That's it for today, and let me know your favorite shade in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this.